Hello everyone. My name is Lakshmi Javde. So today our topic is symmetric key distribution. So what is a symmetric key distribution? Symmetric key distribution is the process of securely sharing a single secret key between two or more parties who want to communicate privately using symmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, the same key is used to encrypt means lock and decrypt means unlock the message. Because both parties need the same secret key, the key must be transmitted or agreed upon in a secure way before any encrypted communication can happen. If an attacker gets access to the key during this exchange, the security of the communication is broken. Why symmetric key distribution is important? So, first one is it enables secure communication. Symmetric encryption is a fast and efficient, but both sender and receiver must have same secret key. Without a secure way to share that key, private communication isn't possible. Second, prevents unauthorized access. If the key falls into wrong hands during distribution, an attacker can decrypt the confidential messages, unpersonal one of the communicating parties. So the method of sharing the key must prevent and tampering. So third one is essential for online security systems. Systems like online banking, VPN means virtual private network, and secure messaging apps often use symmetric encryption. This system rely on safe key distribution methods like hybrid encryption to maintain the data privacy. Next, a weak link can break the entire systems. No matter how strong the encryption algorithm is, if the key is compromised during distribution, the encryption becomes useless. So, key distribution is often considered an of symmetric cryptography. Last is the support scalable and automated security. In large network or systems, secure and automated key distribution methods like using a key distribution center help manage the encryption at a scale. Methods of key distribution center. There are four methods of key distribution center. First one is manual key exchange means offline distribution. In this method, the key is physically delivered used in a military, government or high security environments. It is a very secure if the physical channel is safe. Then second method is key distribution center, that is KDC. In this method, a trusted third party, the KDC is generated and distributes the secret key to users in a network. It is used in a systems like Kerberos. In this method, centralized management of the keys and scalable. And third method is asymmetric cryptography, means hybrid approach. In this method, a symmetric key is encrypted using the recipient's public key, asymmetric encryption, and sent securely messages. Common is used HTTP request, secure over open networks, good and internet-based communications. And last method is quantum key distribution, that is QKD. In this method, use the principles of quantum physics to securely share the symmetric keys. Still experimental but offers theoretically unbreakable security. It is extremely secure in this theory. There are key features of the symmetric key distributions. First one is single shared secret key. Both the sender and the receiver use the same key for encryption and the decryption. The same key must be kept confidential and securely shared before communication begins. Second is security depends on a key secrecy. The entire security of the system relies on the secrecy of the key. If the key is intercepted or leaked, encrypted data can be easily decrypted. Third, requires the secure key exchange mechanism. The method used to distribute the key must protect it from the interception, especially over insecure the networks. Examples include the manual sharing, key distribution center, and cryptographic protocols like different mechanisms. Fast and efficient encryptions. Symmetric encryption is generally faster and less resource intensive than asymmetric encryption. This makes it ideal for encrypting large amounts of data once the key is securely shared. And last is suitable for closed and trusted environments. In this method, works will in environments where secure initial contact is possible. Example, internet network or a physical access. Not ideal for open or public networks without additional and protection methods. There are some applications of symmetric key distribution. First one is a secure file and data encryption. Symmetric keys are used to encrypt the files, documents, or entire disk. Used in tools like BitLocker, etc. In this encryption, key distribution is handled manually or through enterprise key management system. Second is HTTPS SSL TLS means web security. In web browsing, symmetric keys are used for fast encryption after being exchanged secure asymmetric encryption. Example, during a secure connection to a website, TLS uses public key cryptography to distribute a symmetric key for the session. Third is a virtual private network means VPN. VPN is used to symmetric encryption to secure the data traveling between the user's device and a remote server. Symmetric keys are exchanged during the VPN handshake process, often using protocols like IKE means Internet Key Exchange. And fourth one is banking and financial transactions. ATMs, credit and readers, and payment gateways use the symmetric keys to encrypt the transaction data. Keys are distributed and managed through the secure hardware and centralized key distribution system. And last is the secure messaging and communication. Apps like Signal, WhatsApp, and Telegram use the symmetric keys for the encryption message. Keys are often distributed using asymmetric key exchange protocols like different ensure the secure communication. Here are some advantages of symmetric key distribution. High speed and performance. Symmetric encryption algorithm like AES and DES are much faster than asymmetric algorithm. Ideal for encryption large volumes of data in real time applications like video calls, VPN and file encryption. Second, strong security. If the secret key is securely exchanged and kept private, symmetric encryption offers strong data protection. Algorithms like used AES 256 are considered extremely secure when used properly. And third is simplicity and efficiency. Symmetric encryption uses simple mathematical operations, making it lightweight and efficient on computing resources. Suitable for devices with limited processing power such as IoT devices. Fourth one is widely supported and proven. Symmetric encryption is a well-established technology with decades of use and analysis. It's trusted and integrated into many global standards. And last is easier to implement in closed system. In controlled environments like corporate network, it's easier to manage the key sharing securely. Systems like Kerberos or internal key management system streamline symmetric key distribution. Here are some disadvantages of symmetric key distribution. First one is a key distribution problem. The biggest challenges is how to secure share the secret key between parties, especially over the insecure channels like the internet. If the key is intercepted during exchange and security is completely compromised. Second is key management becomes complex in a large networks. In a network of users, each pair needs a unique key for a secure communication. This leads to N, which becomes unmanageable as the number of users increases. Third is require secure initial contact. Both parties must agree on a key beforehand using a secure method, example in person, trusted third party. This makes it impractical for first time communication over public network without additional mechanism. Fourth is no built-in authentication. Symmetric encryption doesn't verify identifies on its own. There is no way to confirm that a message came from the expected persons unless additional methods like message authentication codes are used. And last is key reuse increases risk. Using the same key repeatedly for multiple messages or session increases vulnerability to cryptanalysis. Keys are need to be updated or rotated regular which adds the complexity. Thank you.